everyone, and yes, we are back with part 3 of our Masters in Computer Science series, in which we are going to discuss tuition fees of top 5 universities, affordable universities, living expenses, and scholarship in different countries. In the previous videos, we have already talked about what is Masters in Computer Science, who studies it, its popular countries, top universities with or without GRE, and its eligibility criteria. If you haven't watched these videos, the links are in the description below. Make sure to check them out to get better understanding of Masters in Computer Science programs. As I mentioned in the previous videos, the USA is the most popular country for Masters in Computer Science programs. Now let's explore the top 5 universities in the USA. MIT, Carnegie, Harvard, Princeton and Cornell. Their tuition fee ranges from $30,000 to $66,000, which is approximately equal to 25 lakh to 55 lakh Indian rupee. Let's face it, not everyone has budget for these prestigious universities. So here are some more affordable options for you to consider, which includes University of Texas, Houston, Alabama, North Texas, Missouri, South Florida and Texas Tech University. Their tuition fee ranges from $17,000 to $40,000, which roughly translate to 14 to 33 lakh in INR. अगर आप GRE नहीं देना चाहते या आपने नहीं दिया है, so there are several universities that offer admission to international students without requiring GRE score. These universities include University of Washington, Michigan, Carnegie, Ohio and Northeastern University. Their tuition fee ranges from $28,000 to $59,000, which translate to 23 to 50 lakh in Indian rupees. Since private universities in USA are expensive and not everyone can afford them, so you can also consider some good public universities that offer Masters in Computer Science program. University of Washington, Illinois, Michigan, Wisconsin-Madison, Rutgers and Maryland. Their tuition fee ranges from $25,000 to $58,000, which converts to 21 to 48 lakh in Indian rupee. While public universities offer excellent programs, many students prefer private universities for their smaller class size, personalized attention and robust network opportunities. Some of the private universities include in USA are MIT, Carnegie, Columbia, Cornell, Harvard, Duke, New York University, Johns Hopkins, and Georgia. The tuition fees for these universities ranges from $29,000 to $65,000, which equal to 24 lakh to 54 lakh in Indian rupee. इतनी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज और उनकी ट्यूशन फी देखने के बाद आपको शायद थोड़ा तो आइडिया हो गया होगा कि आपको कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करनी है. But you should also remember to consider the living expenses you need to cover while studying in USA. So the average range of living expenses that you might encounter in these top 6 cities is somewhat between 11.5 lakh to 30 lakh per year. अब इतने सारे खर्चे की बात सुनकर you must be wondering, is there any way that can support your financial journey? So yes, scholarship offered for studying in USA can be your best friend during your master's journey. Here is a list of some scholarships. Now that we have covered USA in terms of top universities, tuition fees, living expenses and scholarship, let's shift our focus to Canada, which is second most favored country for Masters in Computer Science. Let's start with the top universities in Canada. University of Toronto, McGill, British Columbia, Waterloo and Calgary. The tuition fees for these universities ranges from $8,000 to $77,000, which converts to 5.2 lakh to 47.6 lakh in Indian rupee. Next, let's now explore some affordable universities in Canada that offer Masters in Computer Science. Memorial University of Newfoundland, University of Northern British Columbia, Simon Fraser University, University of Calgary and Moncton. Their tuition fee ranges from $15,000 to $24,000 or 8 to 15 lakh rupees in INR. Similar to USA, Canada also have some universities that do not require GRE at all for admission. These universities include University of Alberta, University of British Columbia, McMaster University, Windsor University and Concordia University. The tuition fees of these universities ranges from $9,000 to $24,000 or 6 to 15 lakh in Indian rupee. अब बात करते हैं कनाडा की पॉपुलर सिटीज टोरंटो, मॉन्ट्रियल एंड ओटावा में आपके लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस की, which approximately goes from $12K to $21K annually. If converted in INR, it's 7 lakh to 13 lakh rupees. Now let's see scholarships to study in Canada for Masters in Computer Science program. Besides USA and Canada, UK and Australia are also considered good destination by students For Masters in Computer Science, let's explore each of them. Starting with UK, which hosts several top universities offering this degree. These universities include University of Oxford, Imperial College London, University College London, University of Cambridge and University of Edinburgh. Their tuition fee ranges from 37 to 48,000 pounds, which approximately 40 to 52 lakh rupees. Let's move on to the affordable universities in UK that offers Masters in Computer Science. Staffordshire, Teesside, Leeds Beckett, York St. John and Coventry. अगर हम ट्यूशन फीस की बात करें तो it ranges between 10 to 20,000 pounds, which equivalent to 10 to 21 lakh rupees in Indian currency. Living expenses of cities like London, Manchester and Birmingham ranges from 7,000 to 24,000 pounds, equaling 8 lakh to 25 lakh rupees annually, including rent, transportation, food and entertainment. Moving on further, let's talk about scholarships. Other than this, many UK universities offer their own scholarship for international students. Some examples are University of Oxford and University of Cambridge. After exploring UK, let's now turn our attention to our next destination, Australia. We'll start by looking at Australia's top universities that offer Masters in Computer Science program. The University of Melbourne, La Trobe University, the Australian National University, the University of New South Wales and RMIT University. These are the universities whose tuition fee range from $35,000 to $54,000 and 20 to 30 lakh in Indian rupees. Moving on to the affordable universities which offer Masters in Computer Science program. Victoria University, Flinders University, University of Tasmania, University of Wollongong and Curtin University. These universities' tuition fees lies between $10,000 to $37,000 or 6 to 21 lakh in Indian rupees. Coming to the living expenses in Australia, many students prefer Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane for their studies due to large number of well-regarded universities in these cities. The living expenses in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane range from $12,000 to $23,000 or 11 lakh to 18 lakh rupees annually. This cost includes rent, food, transportation and entertainment. Moving on to the list of Australian scholarship for international students, and the list includes these scholarships. Along with the UK and Australia, there are other countries that offer Masters in Computer Science for international students, including France, Germany and Ireland. Although these countries are less commonly chosen by students, but you can still find both top tier and affordable universities there. Let's start with the France, which has several top universities including Sorbonne University, University Grenoble Alpes, University PSL, École Polytechnique, EPITA School of Engineering and Computer Science. The tuition fees of these universities range from 4,000 to 26,000 euros, which is around 3 lakh to 24 lakh in Indian rupees. After top universities, let's now discuss some affordable universities in France. Paris-Saclay, Orléans, Strasbourg, Bordeaux and Clermont-Auvergne. Their tuition fee range from 0 to 13,000 euros or 0 to 12 lakh in Indian rupees. In France, students often prefer cities like Paris and Lyon for their studies. Let's take a look at the living expenses in these two cities. The table shows the cost of rent, transportation, food and entertainment, which range from 9 to 20,000 euros or 8 lakh to 17 lakh rupees annually. To cover all these expenses, France also offers scholarship options for international students, including these scholarships. Now that we have covered France, let's move on to our next destination on the list of less popular countries for Masters in Computer Science program, Germany. Germany offers limited options for international students pursuing a Masters in Computer Science. However, top universities like Technical University of Munich, Aachen University, Technical University of Berlin, and University of Bonn have no tuition fees for this program. Additionally, other notable universities include Karlsruhe Institute of Technology with tuition fees of 1,500 euros, which is approximately 1 lakh rupees, and Saarland University with fees of 592 euros, which is approximately 53,000 in Indian rupees. Since students tend to choose Berlin, Munich and Cologne for their further studies, यहाँ living expenses की बात करें तो it's 7 to 17,000 euros or 7 to 15 lakh rupees annually. Now let's talk about scholarship. So the Germany offers several prestigious scholarships options for international students pursuing master's degree in computer science. Here's the list. These scholarships can ease your financial burden of studying in Germany and provide a valuable support throughout your studies. Moving on to our last country for this video, that is Ireland. which is known for its cultural, historical, and natural attractions. Let's see what Ireland has to offer for masters in computer science. Some of the top universities in Ireland are Trinity College Dublin, University College Dublin, National University of Ireland Galway, University College Cork, and Dublin City University. These university tuition fees range from 18,000 to 27,000 euros, which converted to 16 lakh to 25 lakh in Indian rupees. अब top universities के बाद बात करते हैं affordable universities की, and the list includes Maynooth University, Waterford Institute of Technology, University of Limerick, Technological University Dublin, and Dundalk Institute of Technology. The tuition fees of these affordable universities range from 6,000 to 18,000 euros, which is approximately 5 lakh to 16 lakh rupees. The living cost goes from 8,000 to 20,000 euros in these cities, which translate to 7 to 18 lakh rupees in INR. Securing scholarship can make education more accessible by easing your financial burden. So here are some of the top scholarship options for you in Ireland. और इसी के साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो खत्म होती है, जिसमें मैंने आपको ट्यूशन फीस ऑफ डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज इंक्लूडिंग टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड अफोर्डेबल यूनिवर्सिटीज बताई, और हमने स्कॉलरशिप एंड लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस की भी बात करी। आई होप आज की इस वीडियो से आपको मास्टर्स इन कंप्यूटर साइंस की थोड़ी और क्लैरिटी मिल गई होगी। Still, if you have any doubt in your mind, feel free to reach out to us through our Instagram page or you can comment below. Also, अगर आप मास्टर्स इन कंप्यूटर साइंस प्लान कर रहे हैं और कोई स्टक हो रहे हैं, so you can book a free counseling session with one of our AdmitX expert. The link is in the description below. जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, वीडियो को लाइक कर दो और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दो, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट पार्ट में I'll be covering post study visa and jobs and salary in different countries. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में।